Okay, now that we looked at business objectives and also the goals, the third most important reason is the in scope item for ERP related initiatives for funding. In terms of in scope, we want to make sure it doesn't get mingled with all these so called cloud initiatives and the digital initiatives, because digitization is also going at the same pace as a ERP, and we want to make sure there is a clear distinction between ERP funding and other initiatives. So, from an in scope item, we want to make sure all the functions of the enterprise are covered: sales, marketing, purchases, and you name it. And anything which is a balance sheet item needs to be there, and that needs to be there for us to look at the in scope item with respect to funding ERP initiative in an enterprise. From an in scope item, the various facets of sales, purchases, supply, and so on, which are part of the heartbeat of an enterprise. And when I say heartbeat, the mainframe system supporting the accounting function, because all these Fortune 500 companies have mainframe at the back end of it. And the best way to project that from an ERP standpoint is many vendors such as SAP and so on. Uh, where they define the future processes, and the emphasis on not only the current but more on the future aspect of business, and it is to align with what your peers are doing, and what your peers are doing in the industry is something you would like to standardize and align yourself with, so that you're not left out in the game. uh, in terms of out of scope, we want to make sure it's not talking about any digitization, any movement to cloud, because those are going to be covered in the other aspects of funding and enterprise. Thanks for watching.